Hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist. It's official. Yes, you heard it right. Google has just launched its Pixel 10 series, that is Pixel 10, 10 Pro, Pro XL and even Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Google is going all AI this year and with brand new chip and exciting features. So let's check them out. Though all the phones of this Pixel series have been launched in the month of August, but one is yet to be launched on October 9th. That is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and it is going to mark the 10 years of incredible journey of the Pixel series 2. All models come with the Google's Tensor G5 chip that is engineered for next level AI. Base Pixel 10 has 12 GB RAM, dual band eSIM support, 4970 mAh battery and speedy 15 watts QI2 wireless charging. Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL have even more RAM, 16 GB, bigger batteries, faster 25 watt QI 2.2 wireless charging on XL. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is Google's first IP68 foldable device with similar specs. And yes, all of them are running on Android 16 with giving a 7-year promise of updates. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the headline AI feature that is called the Magic Queue. It is a proactive assistant that predicts what information you will require even before you ask. The standard Pixel 10 gets a 5x telephoto zoom for the very first time. Plus the Pro models now have 100x zoom that gives an incredible detail from far away. Design-wise, the phone looks very much similar but is polished. And talking of the iconic camera bar, it is more seamless and comes in new color options. The Pixel 10 starts at $799, that is same as Pixel 9. The Pro is $999 and the Pro XL comes in at around $1199. There you have it, every important detail for the Pixel 10 series. What do you think you are more excited about? Let me know in the comment sections, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.